Want to know the secret to actually keeping your trading profits? It's called Take Profit, and it changes everything. And if you watch till the end, you'll catch a hidden promo code. A Take Profit automatically closes your trade when the price hits your target. It locks in gains before the market reverses. Beginners need a Take Profit because you can never be fully sure where the market will go, especially when you're just starting out. So, how do you choose a good Take Profit level? Great question. Let's break it down. One option is to set it at the next resistance level, that zone where the price tried to climb higher, and then said, nope, not today. On the chart, you'll literally see candles pushing into that area and bouncing back. Traders love these zones because the market often slows down or reverses there. Or use a simple profit rule. Take profit at around 10 to 15% of your deposit. It's an easy way to lock in wins before the market turns. Let's look at it with simple numbers. Imagine you're trading for the first time and you need to choose a take profit. Let's look at the resistance method. You check the chart and find the next resistance level above your entry. Let's say that resistance sits around $130. So you place your take profit at that level, roughly a plus 30% move. Now let's compare this to the percentage method. To make the calculation easier, we assume that your deposit was the same as your entry price. This time, we'll use a fixed 15% profit rule. If your deposit is $100, 15% means setting your take profit at $115. And here's a nice bonus. Margex lets you set a take profit as a percentage of your deposit in just one click, which makes managing your profits a lot easier. Both methods work, but they serve different needs. The 15% rule is safer for beginners. The resistance method is more advanced. It can give you a bigger profit, but only if you identify chart levels correctly. If you're just starting out, the 15% method is usually the more reliable choice. Since using take profit, traders actually keep the profits they make. Ready to lock in profits like a pro? Watch our step-by-step take profit guide and hit subscribe. Start trading smart.